How to disconnect Instagram from Messenger. Hello everyone, I am Vishaka and welcome to our channel. Now let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, go ahead and open the Messenger application on your device and then tap on the Facebook icon on the top right of your screen. You will then be led to your Facebook, so tap on your profile icon on the bottom right of your screen and then tap on the settings option on the top right of your screen. You will then see the option for see more in account center. Tap on that and in the interface that you will be led to scroll down and you will see the accounts option. Tap on that and then navigate to the Instagram account that you want to remove and then tap on the remove option you see there. You will then see the remove account option, tap on that and you will then be shown with the excess that you will lose once you remove the account. So tap on the continue button and then tap on the yes, finish removing button you see there, and with this, the Instagram account will be removed. So this is how you can disconnect Instagram from Messenger. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this. See you on the next one.